I am Bhavya Jain, a CSE second year student at IIST Indore. If there is one thing that I really like about this place, it's the vibe. A 43-acre green campus where you are literally studying, surrounded by trees, clean air and modern buildings, which makes the whole college experience so much better. The labs here are fully equipped with i7, 13 and 14 generation PCs, but what really makes us apart are the specialized labs. AI/ML, robotics, drone, IoT and 3D printing. Our classrooms here are fully tech integrated with 86 inches smart boards in every room. We have got 2 spacious auditoriums and a central library, Ramanujan Granthalaya, with over 77,000 books and a digital library for e-books, journals and research papers. Talking about sports facilities, we have both indoor and outdoor setups for cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, pickleball, table tennis, carom, chess. It's all here. Honestly, IIST gives you a perfect mix of strong academics and a campus life that you will never forget.